and welcome back to my channel. I'm Harding here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an epic intro video in Filmora X by using the basic and free pack in Filmora. So let's get started. Now I'm go to the title in Filmora and to the default title first and change it with the name of title. And I change the dragon. And now next I choose the color with a light blue and I add animation with the screen blur. See that? So that's done with the title. So I move to the elements and to the dust up one and I adjust some duration for 5 minutes. For 5 seconds, sorry, 5 seconds. And you take a look, you see that? But I want to drag the dragon title down close to the smokes. You see? And now I go to the title again and go to the video tool and compositing and I choose the vivid light and you see how it works. Like this, you see that? Now I export my videos. But first I want to make the color of the smoke is the same with the name of title. And now I go to the color and I make it temperature now P minus 100 and click OK and you take a look. See that? And now I'll export the title first. So now I'll make the second video by the title first with the cinematic visual effects right here. It's free and you just use it. And you see that here I just the background. I just need the background. No need the title, the text. So I just let them empty text by pressing space button on my keyboard. And I do it the same for second text. Click OK and take a look. You see that now it's just empty. So I move to the element and do the special effects skill pack element right here and put it in the timeline and you see it. Take a look. Yeah, the dragon comes. You see that? And I put some adjust to make the dragon in the middle of the preview screen like this. And now take a look. See that? Okay, so I just export the second video. Close. Now I delete them all the timeline and just hit back into the media part and import 2 files I have it just made. Now first I put the this video for background and here for the title. And now take a look. I log in the first timeline and I go to the second timeline and move to the effect and I choose the emergent mask and put it right on the second timeline. And you see that? And I double click and go to the chroma key and choose the pen and just click and you see that? And take a look. Now, so that how it done the intro video, but I want to put some audio and with the background sound and effect sound. I go to the audio and I do the with the background sound. I want to choose that with the inspiration. Now right here I choose it, put it in the track, soundtrack, and cut. You make it bigger. And now you hear that. But I still want to make a sound effect with the pause effect. And I want to put it right at the time where the dragon comes. Sorry. Now I put it right here, and when the dragon comes, and it's lost. You see that? So that's how it done an epic intro video in Filmora X that easy to make. I hope you like it and it's useful to you. Thank you very much guys for watching my video and see you next video. See ya!